Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make Instagram highlights. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Now go to your bottom right corner to your profile and go to top right corner to your settings. From here, go to archives. Once you are in the archive, just make sure that you are in the story archive, and now choose the story that you want to add to highlight. So over here I'm having this highlight option. Now press on over here and name your highlight. So let me just go with fun. And now press on add. Now just go to your profile at the back. Now you can see there is the highlight added. So that's pretty much, guys. It's how you make Instagram highlights. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.